Vegetable drumsticks, commonly known as moringa pods, are widely used in many traditional cuisines due to their rich flavor and exceptional nutritional benefits. These long, slender green pods are not only tasty but also packed with essential nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin A, calcium, iron, and dietary fiber. Consuming drumsticks regularly supports the immune system, helps improve digestion, and promotes stronger bones and teeth. Because they contain high levels of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, they are known to help reduce oxidative stress and support overall heart health. Drumsticks also play a positive role in regulating blood sugar levels, making them beneficial for individuals managing diabetes. Their high fiber content supports healthy digestion and prevents constipation. Additionally, drumsticks are believed to enhance skin health by promoting collagen formation, giving skin a youthful appearance. They are also low in calories, making them a good choice for people aiming for weight management. Drumsticks can be added to soups, curries, sambars, or even used to make nutritious teas and powders. Their natural flavor blends well with spices, making them easy to include in daily meals. Moreover, the leaves and flowers of the moringa plant are also edible and highly nutritious, offering even more health benefits. Traditional medicine systems often recommend drumsticks to improve energy levels, support liver function, and nourish the body after illness. Because the plant grows easily in various climates, it is also considered a sustainable and environment-friendly food source. The seeds of drumsticks can even be used to purify water, highlighting their versatile and practical uses. Overall, vegetable drumsticks are a valuable addition to a healthy and balanced diet, providing nourishment, healing benefits, and culinary versatility in everyday cooking.